Does your car sound like this? When it stands still and you turn the wheel, it's really noticeable. It likely means that the power steering fluid is low and air got into the hydraulic power steering system as a consequence. Fixing it is easy. Pop the hood, locate the power steering reservoir, have a look on the outside to see what the fluid level should be. If it's too low, open the reservoir lid and pour the correct fluid in. It has to be for your model and make car. Once it's filled to the maximum allowed level, close the reservoir lid and then the hood. You are good to go. Thank you and subscribe for more.